what I find quite pleasing is that in the meetings are very cordial, they're very respectful. Everybody they are put their different perspectives as to what is it that they wish. Our disappointment is that when we finish the meetings, we feel that we have an agreement, but whenever they go to the membership, or at least the group that participate in the meetings, are obviously that probably are the ones that are more worked up or more not wanting to settle for what they have been asking and we've been giving to. So that part is disappointing. But as I said, we do respect the unions. We do support their right to work. But at the same time, as a government, we have the responsibility to the rest of the nation to ensure that the country continues to work, that the schools are working, that there can be teachers teaching our children, that the hospitals are working, that there are doctors and nurses available. These are services that are critical to the development of any country. So we have not only a legal but a moral responsibility to ensure that we continue to offer these services to the Belizean people.
Are you concerned? Well, I guess you have to be concerned, but what are your thoughts on the days ahead as the strike continues and the impact to the economy, to the country?
Well, fortunately, it seems that it's not having a major impact. I believe that generally Belizeans understand what we're doing. Belizeans understand that we're not acting out of malice. Belizeans understand that there's a financial crisis. Belizeans understand that many of them, thousands of them, lost their jobs. Fortunately, the public service, including the teachers, they kept their job. They've been getting their salaries. But it has gotten to a point where we just don't have the money. We wish we could be paying them and giving them even more and helping all of those that don't have a job. But the truth is that we don't have the money. For the past 2 years, Mr. Barrow and the UDP borrowed over $700 million to pay salaries, to pay the light bill, electricity and rent. We can't continue doing that. In this new financial year with the tightening up of our belts and just spending monies where we really need to spend in education, the economy and health. But with all of that, in the 10% cut that we have already done, because the budget has already been passed, we are still short of almost $100 million to be able to pay salaries. So we're still not collecting enough to be able to pay salaries. And that is what we're trying to tell the unions. We don't have it and we can't continue to print money. If we continue to print money, we could have hyperinflation and God forbid even a devaluation, and we will not allow that to happen. Our PUP government will not allow that to happen. We're going to do everything possible to protect the Belizean dollar.